Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add the TikTok account to the software. So here's the MKT TIKPRO and I will show you how to add. First step, I will click on the more button in here to create the category name. Okay, here's the new category and I will click on the add content in here. Choose the category that I have created. And here's for the example, you need to prepare the UID, the password, and the cookie for the account. And if you have the email and the past email, you can add in here. Okay, here's for example. And I will have the list of the account that I already prepared in here. I will copy it and enter it here, and I will choose the optional. The first is ID TikTok. The next is the password. The next of information is the email and password of the email. And the final will be the cookie. Okay, here's the 10 account that I have entered to the software. If you want to log in, you only need to select all the account and click on the right mouse and choose the login TikTok in here. And the software will automatically open the browser to log in the account for you. Okay, I will change some setup in here. Okay, run again. Okay, that's all the steps to guide you how to add the TikTok accounts to the software. So if you want to try this software, please contact me with the information below. Thanks for watching.